Hi beautiful people, welcome back once again to Dacty for Use channel. I hope you are doing great, you are staying safe and staying out of trouble. So today I'm going to share with you how I make my delicious jollof rice stew. So let's get into this recipe. I added some oil into my saucepan which was on fire, and then I went ahead to add in all my fresh vegetables. I'll leave everything that I use in this recipe in the description box below, so please do well to check it out. Just look at how the colors, they are so beautiful. I love veggies. So I just gave it a stir, and we are doing this on a medium heat. I went ahead to sprinkle a little bit of salt to this. Yes, we are seasoning our vegetables and our oil at this time. So I covered it and on a medium heat. After about 3-4 minutes, I came back to check on it, and then I gave it a stir. This is how it's looking. We are going to fry this till it's translucent or till the veggies are soft, like so. So here the veggies are getting ready to be done. Just look at it, and I'm telling you, at this time my kitchen was smelling so good. Yes, it was smelling so good with all the flavors and the aromas from the onions, the ginger, the garlic, green bell pepper, tomatoes, everything mixed together was amazing. So here I went ahead to take everything out of the oil. Please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, share with your family and friends. Thank you so much. So here I went ahead to add in about a handful of onions to it, and then I added in my better than beyond seasoning to it at this time, and then I went ahead to add in my natural spices and some stock cube to it, and then I gave it a stir. I will leave everything in the descriptive box, so please do well to check. I fried that for about 3-4 minutes, and then I went ahead to add in my mackerel and tomato sauce to it, and then I added in some curry powder to it at this time. And oh my, I'm telling you, the smell was so good. It was so good that you know that your jollof rice is going to be beautiful, your stew is going to come out great. So I fried that for about 5 minutes when I added in the mackerel, and then I went ahead to add in my tomato paste to it at this time. And we are going to fry this tomato paste for good 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, it really needs to be fried. We are going to fry it very well. Just look at the color, just look at the rich orange color of this. It's so beautiful, and now everything was coming together perfectly. So here we are doing all this on a medium heat. Please make sure that you stir your stew very frequently and very well to prevent it from burning. So here we have our veggies that we fried earlier on, and then we are just blending it very smooth at this time. So make sure to blend it very smooth. So at this time we were just blending it. So please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Share this with your family and friends, and then they will thank you later. So this is it. Just look at how our tomato paste is looking. It's all fried now. At this time it's looking so nice, and it tastes so good. Just look at it. It's so good. It's so good. So here we went ahead to add in the blended vegetables to it at this time. Just look at it. Is it not so nice and beautiful? All these colors are going to mix together. Just look at that oil. So your jollof rice will just come out so rich. You get a rich orange color for your jollof rice. Try this recipe and you won't regret. So here we added everything. We just mixed it together, and then we are cooking this on a medium heat. At this time I tasted for salt, and then I added more seasoning. At this time make sure to taste for seasoning If you think more seasoning is needed, go ahead and add it in this time. So we were just frying our stew on a medium heat, and please make sure that you stir it very frequently. If you can see, that the oil was starting to come up. Yes, when you see this, you will know that your stew is getting ready. It's getting ready to get into its destination. Yes, so make sure to stir it very frequently, because when you are making jollof rice stew, you know that you are going to use the same saucepan. I always use the same saucepan, so I make sure not to let my stew
Yeah, you
burn
don't want to
underneath.
be washing your saucepan again before you make your jollof rice. Uh, anyway, if you are not even going to use the same saucepan, you would not want to your stew to burn underneath it. So here I was at this time I lowered my heat and I made sure that I keep an eye on the stew. At this time the stew is getting to its destination. Yeah, we are getting there. We are getting there. We are almost there. So look at it. It's coming out together beautifully. And oh my God, my house was smelling so good. It was so good. So if you want to have a rich, um, the rich orange color jollof rice, try this recipe, and I'm telling you, you will never go back. Make sure to share with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. Have a great day and stay safe, stay out of trouble. I love you.